The whole world is watching, and it's a very sad day for New York. I've gone through 2 of these trials already. It's with the same kind of a judge. It's all worked. It's all rigged. The whole thing, the whole system is rigged.
Donald Trump's hush money trial is in its second day of deliberations, while the New York jury faces the difficult task of deciding a former president's guilt or innocence without a written guide. A significant portion of the 55-page instructions from Judge Juan Merchant were reread for the 12 jurors on the second day of their deliberations. While the public can access the written guidelines at any time, jurors are not allowed to check these complicated instructions unless they agree to ask Merchant to read them aloud. Basically, New York law generally does not allow jurors to look freely back at the instructions, even though they are often extensive and likely difficult to commit to memory. Jurors were retold several instructions, including they cannot hold it against Trump for not testifying, they must set aside personal differences, and they must not make decisions on biases or stereotypes. This comes as a new poll found Trump's hush money verdict is unlikely to sway most voters.
I took a big lead in the polls over the last few weeks. Something's going on. Because I think the people of this country see that this is a rigged deal.
The NPR PBS NewsHour national poll showed 67% of registered voters nationally wouldn't be swayed by a guilty verdict against Trump, while 15% said it would actually make them more likely to vote for him. Another 17% said a guilty verdict would make them less likely to vote for Trump.